Okay, pizza. We are topping it with fontina cheese, which I don't have. Need a bowl of fontina. Meatball time. So if you can't make a meatball, you can't make Italian food. So that's the deal here. We want to show off our Italian skills. We talk about all of our pizzas are clean comfort. This is the ultimate clean comfort pizza. It's extremely indulgent and it's a beautiful classic pizza. So we didn't want to go part skim shredded mozz. That's like in Italy. So we chose the fontina because it has that melty quality, the same taste in your mouth. Then we are going to take our meatballs. Our meatballs are really cool. We hand make those. They've got pine nuts in them for some crunch. They have breadcrumb. Cook them off, and we've got about 10 slices on here. It's a crowd pleaser for sure. So open your bag. Anytime you're cooking a pizza, try to mimic a wood oven. So get it as hot as you can, use a stone or a steel, and then we throw it in the oven. We have an area in St. Louis called The Hill, and it's a historic Italian neighborhood. They still speak Italian. They have all the great Italian restaurants. They have a salad, it's the Hill salad. So this is our version of that. So we'll use the Katie's extra virgin olive oil. We have our aged balsamic. We're gonna do some of that. There's a little sweetness to it. Beautiful bright green. Casteltravano olives, they're really mild. A little pine nut for crunch. And there is our beautiful Italian St. Louis Hill salad. Pizza's done. And I am gonna garnish this one with a little bit of arugula because you have a lot of creamy cheeses. You've got the meat, and so we're gonna cut it a little bit. So anytime you're garnishing, if you can tie something into the recipe, that's always a good thing. So we'll throw a little more pine nut on there. Okay, that's it. Okay, Greg, come on.
What are you putting on here?
Okay, you go grab. This one is so good.
Oh yeah.
Has the richest flavor of all of them.
I don't care what's going on in your day, but if you wind up with a delicious meatball in front of you, you're doing
good.
all right.
It's really good.